Have you ever wondered how some people manage to maintain their youthful vigor and vitality throughout their lives? The secret lies in the way they live. Today, we're going to explore the topic of living a long and healthy life. It's a subject that touches us all and has the power to transform our lives in profound ways. From the food we eat to the way we handle stress, our daily habits can shape our health and longevity. Stick around as we delve into the 10 tips that can help you live a longer and healthier life. Tip number 1, a balanced diet is key. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our bodies also need the right nutrients to function at their best. Picture your plate as a colorful palette of nature's best offerings. Fruits and vegetables, full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, should make up the majority of your meals. Don't forget lean proteins either. They're essential for repairing and building tissues, and they also keep you satiated, preventing unnecessary snacking. Whole grains are another must-have. They're packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps your heart healthy. But remember, it's not just about what you eat but also how much. Portion control is crucial to maintaining a healthy weight, which is a significant factor in longevity. So start your journey towards a long, healthy life with a balanced diet. Fill your plate with nature's bounty, and your body will thank you. Remember, a balanced diet is the foundation of a healthy life. Moving on to tip number 2, regular exercise. This can be a game changer in your quest for a long and healthy life. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins. These endorphins interact with the receptors in your brain that reduce your perception of pain. They also trigger a positive feeling in the body, similar to that of morphine. Regular exercise is not just about the runner's high. It's about improving your cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. It's about increasing your energy levels and helping you feel more alert and alive throughout the day. And of course, it's about maintaining a healthy weight, keeping those extra pounds at bay, and ensuring you are at your best. So, whether you choose to hit the gym, go for a run, or simply take a walk, remember this: exercise is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So, make sure to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Tip number 3, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's not just about feeling refreshed or being less grumpy in the morning. Sleep is a vital part of living a long and healthy life. It's during those quiet hours of rest that our bodies get to work, repairing cells, consolidating memories, and recharging the immune system. In fact, regular quality sleep can do wonders for your mental health too, helping to keep stress and anxiety at bay. Now, we've all had those nights of tossing and turning, but making sleep a priority is a key ingredient in the recipe for longevity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. It may mean adjusting your schedule or creating a calming bedtime routine. But it's a small price to pay for the benefits you'll reap. So give your body the downtime it deserves. Always prioritize your sleep for a healthier life. Tip number 4, regular checkups can save your life. Now there's something to ponder. We often take our health for granted, don't we? We wait for the storm instead of carrying an umbrella at the first sign of rain. Here's the thing, regular health checkups are like that umbrella. They are our first line of defense against potential health issues. These routine appointments with your healthcare provider can help detect health problems even before they start. If diseases are caught early, they're easier and less expensive to treat, and there's a better chance of recovery. Imagine a silent enemy, like high blood pressure or cholesterol, lurking in your body. With regular checkups, you can identify these hidden threats and take steps to combat them. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal, so make it a priority to visit your doctor regularly. It's a small investment of time that can yield big health dividends. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Moving on to tip number 5, nurture your relationships. You see, the bonds we weave with others play a vital role in our journey to longevity. It's not just about having people around, but about fostering healthy, positive relationships. These connections can be a powerful antidote to stress, anxiety, and loneliness. When we engage in meaningful conversations, share laughs, or even do the simple act of lending an ear to a friend in need, we're doing wonders for our mental health. It's a sense of belonging that fills us with positivity and boosts our emotional well-being. Let's not forget that when we're happy, our body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones, which can help improve our overall health. Moreover, surrounding ourselves with health-conscious individuals can also influence us to adopt healthier habits. So, it's a win-win. So, cherish your relationships, they're essential for your health. Investing time and energy in them might just be one of the best things you can do for your longevity. Tip number 6, manage your stress effectively. Stress is a part of life, but how we manage it can make a significant difference in our health and longevity. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies, leading to a variety of health issues from heart disease to mental health disorders. It's not about eliminating stress completely, but rather learning to manage it effectively. Think of stress as a wave. You can't stop the wave, but you can learn to surf. Find coping mechanisms that work for you, whether that's deep breathing, yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk in the park. Remember, it's okay to ask for help too. Reach out to a professional if you're feeling overwhelmed. They can provide you with tools and techniques to better handle stress. Take time for self-care. Relax, unwind, and do things that make you happy. Stress management isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works for you. Find healthy ways to manage stress for a healthier, happier life. Tip number 7. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Now, we've all heard it before, but let's really dive in. Why is hydration so essential? Well, water is the lifeblood of our bodies. It's involved in nearly every bodily function, from digestion and absorption to transportation and even temperature regulation. Think of it like this. Your body is like a well-oiled machine, and water is that oil. Without enough of it, things start to grind, slow down, and eventually break down. It's not just about quenching thirst, it's about keeping your body functioning at its peak. So, how much water should you be drinking? Well, it varies for everyone, but a good rule of thumb is to drink 8 glasses a day. And remember, fruits and vegetables are also excellent hydration sources. So let's raise a glass of water, that is, to your health. Remember, staying hydrated is staying healthy. Tip number 8, say no to harmful habits. Picture, if you will, a ship. Strong, sturdy, and capable of weathering the toughest storms. But what if that ship had a hole in its hull? No matter how strong it is, it's destined to sink. Harmful habits are those holes in our ship, our body. They might seem insignificant, but they have the potential to sink us. Take smoking and excessive drinking, for example. These habits might offer temporary relief or pleasure, but they come at a great cost. They can wreak havoc on our health, reducing our lifespan and the quality of our lives. They can lead to a range of diseases, from lung cancer and heart disease to liver damage and neurological problems. But the good news is that it's never too late to quit. It's never too late to patch up those holes and start sailing smoothly again. So, let's make the choice to live healthy. Let's say no to harmful habits, and yes to a long and fulfilling life. Make the choice to live healthy. Live. And those were our top 8 tips for living a long and healthy life. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? First off, we talked about maintaining a balanced diet. It's all about consuming the right amount of nutrients from a variety of food sources. Remember, a well-balanced diet is the foundation of good health. Next, we discussed regular exercise. Get moving, stay active, and make exercise a part of your daily routine. Whether it's a brisk walk, a gym workout, or a yoga session, every bit counts towards your health. The third tip was about getting adequate sleep. A good night's rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Don't underestimate the power of sleep and the effect it can have on your overall health. We also emphasize the importance of regular checkups. Early detection can make a world of difference when it comes to dealing with potential health issues. Be proactive, not reactive. The fifth tip was about nurturing healthy relationships. They contribute to our emotional well-being and play a significant role in maintaining good health. So, keep your social connections strong and positive. Then, we discuss stress management. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as through meditation, hobbies, or simply spending time in nature. It's important to keep stress levels in check for a healthier, happier life. Our seventh tip was about regular hydration. Water is life, literally. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to stay properly hydrated. Lastly, we talked about avoiding harmful habits. Say no to smoking, excessive drinking, and other such habits that can negatively impact your health. Each of these tips is a step towards a healthier you. It's not about perfection, but about making small, consistent changes that lead to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, a healthy life is a long life. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.